President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. led the inspection of the ongoing construction of the Cavite-Laguna Expressway or CALEX Governors Drive Interchange. According to the operator of the said expressway, the interchange is 44% complete and is expected to be operational by the third quarter of 2025. It is also a key infrastructure project aimed at easing congestion and improving connectivity in the region. PTV's Harley Valbuena has the details.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the inspection of Subsection 3 of the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. The Chief Executive did a walkthrough on the Governor's Drive Interchange of CALEX in General Trias City, Cavite, accompanied by Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bonoan, Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon, DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla, Metro Pacific Investments Corporation Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan, and Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation President and CEO Jose Maria Lim. The 8.64-kilometer segment will link Silang Interchange and Governor's Drive Interchange and is expected to be completed in the third quarter of the year. This is a part of the 44.57-kilometer CALEX project with a total of 8 subsections which will link Cavitex in Kawit to the South Luzon Expressway in Biñan, Laguna. CALEX is a public-private partnership project between the government and MPTC and is included in the infrastructure flagship projects of the Marcos administration. Once completed, this will reduce the travel time from Cavitex to SLEX from 2 hours to 35 minutes. This aims to ease the traffic congestion in nearby roads such as Governor's Drive, Aguinaldo Highway, and Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Almost 100,000 motorists per day are expected to benefit from it. It is also seen to boost the economy, trade, and tourism in Cavite, Laguna, and other provinces in Calabarzon.